How to delete Snapchat shortcut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a Snapchat shortcut that you no longer need. So shortcut make it super easy to send snaps to multiple people at once. But if you have created the one by mistake or just don't need it anymore, I'll show you how to remove it in just few simple steps. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone. And once you have opened it, simply take a random photo. Don't worry, you won't actually be sending it anywhere, so it doesn't matter what the image is. Now tap on send to button at the lower right corner, and now here at the top you will see your shortcuts. So tap on plus icon at the end of the list, and after that a pop-up window will appear showing all your shortcuts plus an option to create a new one. Now find the shortcut that you want to delete and tap on it. Now in the next window, you will see the option to rearrange your list of friends and delete the shortcut. And now to remove it, simply tap on the three dot icon shown at the top right corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, just tap on delete and confirm it. And after confirming it, your shortcut will be gone. And that's it. That's how you can delete a shortcut on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.